Hey, what's up guys, Trial Kabir, and this is the brand new Mi 9 AC, which is recently released with the Snapdragon 712 along with the Adreno 616 GPU built into it. So in this video we're going to check how this device holds up with its gaming performance. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. As always guys, don't skip a part of this video if you don't want to miss out any part of this gaming test. So first off, we're going to start things off with the PUBG Mobile. We will see its loading time and the graphics performance in the default mode. Then we will try to boost up the performance level to the extreme and then check out the performance level on that point. So here we go. So as you guys just saw, this game performed really good with the extreme settings. Now we'll move on to our next game, which is the Mortal Kombat, and check out the performance of this game as well. So what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below, and if you like this video, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Until the next video, peace out.